This is the third question of our homework assignment. Before I read all this information it's giving me, I'm going to scroll down and it says prepare an income statement under absorption costing. So I know what I need to do. Now I can go back and start extracting the information. I'm using absorption costing, which is going to include the fixed factory overhead with the other costs, and that's going to be part of my inventory. So the first thing we're going to do, of course, we always start out an income statement with sales. So sales looks like $810,000. So I'll plug that in. And then my cost of goods sold. Here I'm going to need probably my manufacturing cost. What do we have? Here's my variable manufacturing cost. And we're doing absorption costing. So this is a variable costing, so I'm going to have to add the fixed manufacturing cost to that. So if I add those two numbers together, I'm going to add the $381,600, sorry. I'm going to add that to the $79,500. So I'm taking my variable cost of goods manufactured, $381,600. I'm adding the fixed manufacturing cost of $79,500. That is a total of $461,100. And that's my cost of goods manufactured then under absorption costing. My ending inventory, I'll have to subtract that, so I'll have my inventory at the end. And it says we had 2,400 units. 2,400 units. I have to figure out what the cost is of each one of those units. We manufactured, well, let's see, we need to find out what we manufactured, how many. So we're going to have to accept the fact, because there was no beginning inventory given to us, we'll accept the fact that it must be 0. We will take the sales of 13,500 and add to that the ending inventory. So that's the total number of units that we had that we manufactured. Okay? Oh, yeah, it says on May 31st, the end of the first month. So there would be no beginning inventory. All right? So the total number of units that we manufactured during the period would be 13,500 plus 2,400 that we have still in inventory. So that's 15,900. I'm going to divide my total inventory here of 461,100 by 15,900. Okay, so 461,100 divided by 15,900. So that's $29 per unit under absorption costing. $29 per unit now times my ending inventory of 2,400 units is 69,000. So I'll have a minus. Oops. Wow. Oh, correct. Okay. Thank you. I got, was it 69,600? I think was the number I had. The next thing I need to do is determine the cost of goods sold under absorption costing. I will take my cost of goods manufactured, 461,100, minus 69,600, and that's 39,000 or 391,500. That gives me my gross profit with an additional subtraction from my sales. So I have gross profit then of 481 or 418,500. I'll have to subtract my selling and admin expenses, both variable and fixed. So here I'm going to add the 54,000 fixed selling and admin expenses to the variable selling and admin expenses of 216,000. So that's going to be 270,000. Just adding those up. And I will have income from operations because I've got more gross profit than I do selling and admin expenses, and the difference will be $148,500. Okay, so that's how we will solve that one.